Bag, I just took it out of the microwave. And there they are, 3 minutes. Could have did a little bit less, but I did 3 minutes. Pour it out right here. And that's it, like that. I'm going to crack a little bit of it in front of you. My cluster. I'll let you all go. Enjoy the deal. So I have spaghetti, crab cakes, applesauce cups, and watermelon. That's what I'm going to use. So I have my meal on. That's what I'm going to have my meal with. Thumpity thump. Tell me your Christmas music. The Christmas spirit. Thumpity thump thump. Thumpity thump thump. Thumpity thump thump. Yes. I love the holidays. Happy holidays, everyone. Come on over here. I'm gonna crack some of my crab. And then I'm custard. And then I'm going to put the rest of my things in the microwave. And I'm going to enjoy my seafood meal. Ha, 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 ha. I'm so happy. Oh, I got baked beans too. See? She be ready. Good loving over here. Yes. Finally, kiss good night. Your Christmas music. Plates right here. With some butter too. From such a meatballs. Boy, look at that. Fresh seafood meat. 3 minutes. I have the conventional microwave. Watch it. The microwaves aren't conventional microwave. You might have to do 4.5 minutes. Try not to do any more than 5 minutes. Check it at least twice. No, 1.5 minutes. After 3 minutes, check it for like 1.5 minutes. And then put it in for like another 1.5 minutes and check it. You'll know what to do. Perfect. It's like you put it in the oven or on the stove. Bye bye now. Good loving to you. And happy holidays.